Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're making the most delicious and easy fresh green beans right in the air fryer. Let's get to it. If you haven't steamed your green beans in the air fryer, I promise you are missing out. And also don't forget to check out our post on our blog at savorythoughts.com on how to pair these fresh green beans with fried tofu. Guys, to begin, it is so simple. In this recipe, we are using the already washed and trimmed green beans. They usually come in a bag from the supermarket, and they're time savers pretty much, because you don't have to worry about trimming and washing, although I do recommend that you have to wash them because they were previously handled by someone else. So let's go ahead and begin. You want to start off by adding the green beans in a bowl. Once you place your green beans in a bowl, go ahead and season it with salt and pepper and garlic powder, as well as drizzle olive oil over the green beans. Once you are done, mix it well. After mixing, transfer the green beans along with all the fixtures in the air fryer basket. Steam your green beans in the air fryer at 370 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. You may leave it longer if you prefer a crispier green beans. However, we wanted to have some sort of crunch to it, so 10 to 15 minutes was just okay for us. And that's pretty much it. This is perfect for the upcoming holidays, and again, you can make it ahead of time and just reheat it in the microwave in 30 seconds increments. Thank you so much for watching this quick video on how to steam your green beans in the air fryer. We post videos weekly. We would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on new videos. Cheers.